Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to code guys, Infinix phone guys, mobile network problem guys, how can we solve? Friends, you want to solve guys your Infinix phone guys phone mobile network problem. So how can we solve? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we solve Infinix phone guys phone mobile network problem. So first of all, guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting to solve your phone mobile network problem. So guys, we will on phone setting, and guys we will tap on guys phone system setting, and guys click on reset option, and once you can see this mobile here, we will tap here mobile network as mobile data setting, we will tap here. Guys, confirm your pattern. So guys, you have your pattern log, and guys you have any password, so enter your password and draw your pattern to continue. Then guys, we will tap on reset option. Then guys, after 5 and get some second guys, our setting will reset. Then guys, your mobile network problem will solve, and guys you can use guys your Infinix from iPhone mobile network setting without any problem. After that guys, you have any another problem with your mobile network, so guys take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.